My name is Bonnie Murphy. I'm a research group leader at the Planck Institute of Biophysics in Frankfurt, and I'm glad to be this year's Clara Immerwahr Award winner. I'd like to thank UniSysCat, the Cluster of Excellence in Catalysis based in the Berlin area. I'm looking forward to working with the cluster and better integrating. Work within my group focuses around two major themes. On the one hand, we work to use a set of tools, including electron microscopy, to determine structures and mechanisms of proteins that play important roles in shaping our climate and our planet. And in order to do this, we work hard to innovate the way that we prepare the sample for analysis so that we're able to capture not a single snapshot of a protein structure, but rather a storyline of different structures that tell us how the protein actually works. And the other stream of work within my group is aiming to push the tools of biological EM in order to allow us to do a better and more accurate job of understanding our proteins and generating a full atomic structure of the proteins in order to be able to know how it works. And this addresses a major challenge within the field of EM, which is that for dose-sensitive samples, we don't have any way to map different elements within our complex. And so the work that we do aims to bridge two different disciplines within EM. Analytical EM has a number of tools for elemental mapping, but is typically reserved to applications where we can apply a really, really high electron dose to the sample. And on the other hand, biological EM has a number of tools for working with our dose-sensitive biological samples. And what we're trying to do is bring together the image processing techniques from the biological EM with the elemental mapping from analytical EM in order to get a fuller picture of how different species, including metals and other ions, also lipids and products and substrates, affect the structure and the function of different complexes. What I love most about my work is that I get to work in a very interdisciplinary team. So within my group, we have people from many different countries. We also have people from biology, biochemistry, all the way through chemistry and physics. And so I get to learn a lot from the people I work with every day. So I'm looking forward to many further years of working on these big problems and would like to thank UniSysCat for this honor.